Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is bile, a green liquid made in the liver that does two crucial jobs in digestion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what bile does, where it's made and stored, and why it isn't an enzyme at all. Bile is a liquid made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It's released into the small intestine when fatty food arrives. Bile has two functions. It emulsifies lipids, breaking big fat droplets into many small ones, and it's alkaline, neutralizing the acid chyme coming from the stomach. Three things. 1. Bile emulsifies fats by breaking droplets up, vastly increasing surface area for lipase to attack. This is a physical process. And 2. Bile is alkaline, neutralizing stomach acid so the small intestine can operate at its optimum pH of around 8. 3. Both effects help digestion proceed efficiently. Common slip. Bile is not an enzyme. It doesn't chemically digest anything. Lipase digests fat. Bile just makes lipase's job easier by increasing the surface area available. And remember, liver makes bile. Gallbladder stores it. Two different organs with two different roles. Quick example. After a fatty meal, bile is released into the small intestine. The fat droplets are broken into thousands of small droplets. Picture a salad dressing being shaken. The total surface area goes up dramatically, and lipase can then digest the fats much faster than before. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.